Assalamu alaikum. Today we're opening a PS5. My dad bought it as a present for me because I passed my SAT and I'm going to year 7. And it's a Sony. I bought it off Argos. This was for the PS5 was £480. This game, Miles Morales Spiderman, was £45. And my dad bought 3-year insurance, 3-year insurance for £60. Let's open the PS5 and see how it is. We're very excited to open it, especially Muhammad because he loves Spider-Man games. Hold the box, hold the box. Put that here. Double packing. Open this. Another. These are instructions. The controller. Really good sound. Wait, I'll do it. God, just put down the table. This is the cord that powers it. Put that here. There's more stuff in there. This is, there's a HDM cord in here too. And there's another cord. This is another cord in here. Oh, it's for charging. This is for the charging of the controller. And this is I'm gonna go grab it, put it down. This is the PS5. Yep.
Heavy?
PS5, yes it is. And this is the stand for it. I think we just put it on like that. Yeah. This is the PS5. Really excited. Grab the remote again. There's only one remote. I thought there would be 2, but there's only one. Yeah. The controller looks so good though. Sounds amazing. PS5 looks amazing. Yeah. We'll set it all up and we'll show you the gameplay of Miles Morales. So I've got 2 games already in Xbox, one S and a Nintendo, and I'm thinking of which HDM cord to take off and plug into the PS5, and I'll think about that one. I may take off the Xbox one because there's not enough spaces for like too many HDM cords, so we have to take one of the HDM cords off of the Xbox because the Xbox one is connected to the TV. So we'll just take that one off and plug it, and then just put the PS5 here, and then we can work and we'll set it up. Yeah, when it's set up, we'll show you the game and how it works. So we've set it all up, and we've done all the things, and this is what we have. So it automatically, just on your home screen, it has, I can't move the controller, it has Astro Playroom, this, and PlayStation Store right there, and something next to it.
Is it copying? 0%? It'll take some time?
Yeah, it will take some time. When it's copied, we'll show you gameplay. So I went onto the playroom next to the Spiderman game, and this is what came up. You have to play as this robot character. I haven't played this before.
And me too.
It's a really weird, but you have to break the glass by punching it. Yeah.
Let me play.
You want to try?
Yeah.
It's just like a place where, say, your game's updating and you're pretty bored, you can just come on here and just play. And so we have downloaded the game. Now we press play game.
Huh?
We have downloaded the game. It's just updating its file. It's updated now. Now it is getting ready to play.
Huh?
Everything updated?
Yeah. Oh, what?
What happened?
Oh, now it's working.
I did play first.
No, me.
Who wanna play first?
Me.
Me.
No, I want
No, I'll
to.
show you how to play. Then you can play.
Okay. What do you need to press?
No, it's gonna show the two of you. Then we'll play. See.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah! First, you need to show me.
This is the beginning. Would you like?
Huh?
No.
Up until about a year ago, my life was pretty normal.
Yeah. Now, press X to start. New game. Amazing. Wait. Combination one.
First, you need to start this too.
Okay.
Okay, closing in on you.
Start now?
Yeah, it's a really good game. And I really like the quality.
What quality?
The quality of the game.
Okay.
My turn now.
It's really hard to swing because I just started playing.
You just start.
I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.